So it has a remote. I'm in the Holiday Inn, and I'm gonna murder the name of this town. Chillicothe, Ohio. Please forgive me, anyone who lives here. I don't mean to murder the name of your town. Anyway, we're on the way back to Virginia, and we're at this Holiday Inn Express, and I think this is the coolest feature. Okay, so my techie husband figured out how to lower these independently. So let's see if I can replicate this. Okay, so if you want to do them both together, it's channel 0. Let there be light. Okay, it's the morning. Okay, now if you want to do one of them, yes, okay, so that's the darkening shade that goes into that channel. I thought that thing was pretty stinking cool because it really does give you like a blackout experience. Now, the only thing they missed is beside the air conditioner, a little bit of light can get in, so it's not completely blackout, but it's better than, you know, sometimes they have the curtains that let all the light in, like by the air conditioner, and that's no bueno. So okay, now let's go back up because I want to show you just the light filtering, or probably I would call it more like a privacy curtain. Look how cute this is. Okay, here we go. Okay, so then we got to change it to channel 2 just to do the other one. Here we go. So yeah, if you just want like a little privacy, or I don't know, not quite as bright direct light. Isn't that adorable? I think that is just adorable. So yeah, pretty sweet little feature. I like it. I think it looks kind of modern and sleek. If it didn't have these little areas beside the air conditioning where the light comes in, I mean, it would be like a total blackout. So I'll show you the rest of the room since you put up with the light shade. I don't know if that was of interest to you or not. So I've already slept here, so it's not as perfectly tidy as, you know, when I came in, of course. Oh, let me put this remote back. Magnetized. So I had a king bed, and this is actually an accessible room, like a wheelchair or handicap accessible room. So they told me that the bed was going to be a little bit lower, which is not a problem for me. I didn't have any issues with that. So other than the bathroom, I know there's a few modifications, like the area where you hang clothes is lower, but I'm guessing it might have a door otherwise. And then the ironing board is hanging there by the door. Probably would normally be in a closet here. That doesn't affect my stay, of course, so I was happy to have this room. But I'll show you in the bathroom video when I do that. They have a nice chair for somebody who, you know, can't stand up on their own in the shower, and that made me happy because I know plenty of people who could use that. But yeah, it's a really nice room at the Holiday Inn. This is room 317, but it's nice size refrigerator. It has the little cubby area for freezing things, and then the microwave. It also has those neat plugs in the front. That's really cool. And then some clothing storage. But yeah, I'll show you the bathroom as soon as. Here we go. You can just read the name of the town so I don't murder it on you guys. Maximum room rate $4.99. Okay. They are really proud of their hotel. So got this nice vanity that someone could wheel under. So this is an accessible room, if you didn't catch that so far. But I appreciate this because I have a friend who cannot always stand-in shower, and look what they provided. That is really nice. So you've got all kinds of grab bars, and then that shower head's adjustable, you know, up and down. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe they have a zero entry shower on the first floor. You know, I don't know, but. So I really enjoyed this hotel. The only thing that was missing, of course, was those yummy cinnamon buns. They didn't have their full breakfast buffet because of the COVID restrictions. They did provide some grab-and-go breakfast, and there were things that could be heated up in the microwave in your room. When we checked in, the gentleman that helped us was really friendly, and overall, I think I would definitely stay at this hotel room again. The king-size bed was extremely comfortable. And I sure wish I remember his name so I could give him credit, but he was really friendly. The pool was drained, I'm pretty sure, due to COVID. I'm pretty sure they just didn't have it open at that time. This was towards the beginning of July of 2020. But this was really easy to get to off of the major interstate when we were traveling back from Wisconsin to Virginia. So I hope you enjoyed the room tour. And if you would like and subscribe, I have a lot of other travel videos. Thanks.